Hello guys and welcome back to Oman's Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 not launching on PC on Steam. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is, first of all, you can click on Steam on the desktop, right click on it and click on Properties. From Properties, go over to the Compatibility tab and you want to check two boxes. The first box you want to check is run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and check those two boxes, hit apply and then hit OK, and then you can go ahead and exit out, and then you can open up Steam. Once Steam is open, the second method I recommend you guys doing is click on Library, go to Call of Duty, then right click on it again, and then click on Properties again. And then from here, you're going to go over to Installed Files. And then from Installed Files, you're going to go ahead and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once you go ahead and do that, let it finish, whatever loading up. And then once you're done with that, I recommend restarting your PC. And once you do that, you should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, and also you can always update your graphics card as well if you're having trouble with that, or sorry, your drivers as well, not graphic card, your driver. And yeah, that's basically it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.